Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to import passwords into Google Chrome using a CSV file. This is incredibly useful when you're switching browsers or want to restore your saved passwords from a backup. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize almost every aspect of your browser experience. The settings page gives you access to everything from appearance options to security features. Once you're on the settings page, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation menu with different categories. Click on Autofill and Passwords. This section is specifically designed to manage all your saved information, including passwords, payment methods, and addresses that Chrome can automatically fill in for you on websites. Next, within the Autofill and Passwords section, you'll see an option labeled Google Password Manager. Click on it to access Chrome's dedicated password management interface. This is where all your saved passwords are stored and managed securely through your Google account. Now, on the left side of the Password Manager screen, click on Settings. This opens up the configuration options specifically for how Chrome handles your passwords, including sync settings and import/export features. Within these settings, find and click on Import Passwords. This is the feature that allows you to bring in passwords from external sources like CSV files exported from other browsers or password managers. It's a convenient way to migrate your credentials without having to manually enter each one. After clicking Import Passwords, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Here you need to make an important choice. You can either select Save to Google Password Manager for your Google account, which syncs your passwords across all your devices, or Save to Google Password Manager for this device, which keeps the passwords local to just this computer. Choose the option that best fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Select File. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate through your computer's folders and files. Locate the CSV file that contains your passwords. Once you find it, double-click the CSV file to select it and begin the import process. After the file has been imported, you'll want to verify everything transferred correctly. Click View Passwords to see all the credentials that were just imported. You can scroll through the list to make sure all your accounts and passwords are there and properly formatted. And that's it! You've successfully imported your passwords into Google Chrome using a CSV file, making it easy to access all your accounts without manually typing in each password. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.